Again, welcome to Royal Education. Here, I want to explain one of the answer of the question number 7 of your exercise NCERT. Question number 7 you can see in your textbook. What the question is? NCERT book, page number 93, question number 7, related to law of independent assortment, dihybrid cross. That's why I want to explain before coming to next topic. When a cross, question is, read the question carefully. When a cross is made between tall plant with yellow seeds, your genotype is given. Capital T, small t, capital Y, small y. Capital T, small t, capital Y, small y. So heterozygous for both the traits. And tall plants with green seed, that is a small capital T, a small y, small y. So genotypes are given. Then question is, what proportion of the phenotype? We have to find out phenotype in the offspring, means F1 generation. Offspring means parental. If they are parental one, they are F1 generation. Could be expected to be A, tall and green, B, dwarf and green. That is your question. So read the question twice and thrice and try to understand what the question is. Now come to the answer, solution. We will write first the P1 generation, that is given already. Capital T, small t, capital Y, small y. I have just written. Remember the dihybrid cross again. P1 generation. Suppose that this one is female. Anyone can you take male and female, but I have taken here for convenient. Female generation for this and male generation for parental generation for this. Capital T, small y, small y. Now, when cross is made, they form their corresponding gametes. We know that here at both the loci they are heterozygous, so they produce 4 different types of. If a trait is heterozygous at 2 loci, it will give 4 different type of gametes. If the trait is different at 1 loci, it gives 2 different type of gametes, capital T, small t like. And here 4 different, capital T, capital Y, capital T, small t, capital Y, small t, small t. They may be during segregation, capital may apply the law of independent assortment. Capital T may come with capital Y, capital T may come with small y. Small t with capital Y, small t with small. So 4 different combination of gametes will be produced here. But here, can you see the 4 different type of gametes? No, because these 2 traits, these are identical. Small I, small y. So only difference is capital T, small t. These are heterozygous, but this one is homozygous. So that's why I produce capital T may sort with a small y or a small t with a small y. So there are 2 type of gametes producing this generation. Okay. Now suppose that this one is male gametes and this one is female gametes, 4 different types. So what will be the probable constitution, genetic constitution, the genotype may come. We write here this one and these 4 in this vertical column, and then we randomly try to unite them during zygote or during gamete zygote formation in offspring, that is F1 generation. Capital T, capital Y, small y. So capital T, capital Y, small y. What will be the phenotype? Definitely capital T makes tall, capital Y makes yellow. So tall and yellow will be phenotype. Capital T, a small t, capital Y, a small y. Again capital T and a small capital Y are there, so make it capital with a tall and yellow. Here capital T, a small I, a small y. So capital T, a small y, a small y. Here no capital Y is there. That's why it make it green, no yellow. But tall, capital T is present, so tall and green. Again here you can see capital T is there but no capital Y, so tall and green. try to come in this generation. Capital T, a small t, capital Y, a small y. Again capital T and capital Y are present, so tall and value. A small t, capital Y, a small y. So a small t, capital Y, a small y. Again here capital Y is there, that's why I make yellow. Here capital T again, a small t, a small y, a small y. So capital T is there, so make it tall, but no capital Y, green. Again here a small t, a small t, a small y, a small y. So no capital T, no capital Y, that's why dwarf and green. Now your answer, you will easily answer that what will be the proportion of tall and green. Count tall and green. How many are tall and green? So tall and green, 1 tall and green, second tall and green, and here third tall and green. So how many tall and greens are there? 3 out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 out of it will be tall and green. And what will be the proportion of dwarf and green? Definitely it will be 1 single. So 1 by 8. So this your answer will be, you write the answer like this. In A, we will write tall and green 3 by 8. In B, dwarf and green 1 by 8. Okay. So in this way, any type of questions related to diabetes in medical examination, in NEET examination, varieties of different type of traits will be given to you. They try to puzzle you, but if you know the fundamental, clearly you can solve without any difficulty. But remember, these are the skeleton. You have to write P1 generation, P1 gametes, F1 gametes, and then F2 generation. So if you follow these properly, applying the law of dominance, applying the law of segregation, applying the law of independent assortment, any type of question related to Mendel's law can be solved very easy. Thank you.